The thought that with the right knowledge, the right tools, you could predict the rise and fall of stocks and thus make a fortune. However, the reality is starkly different. Regardless of how attractive this idea may seem, it is not that straightforward. It is not quite the game of skill it is often portrayed as. Instead, it's more akin to a game of luck, a gamble. Yes, you read that right, a game of luck. Investing wisely is not about predicting market fluctuations accurately every single time. It's about creating a diverse portfolio, understanding market trends, not individual peaks and troughs, and having a long-term investment strategy. It's about consistency, patience, and informed decision-making, not prescience. The key takeaway here is that market timing is not a reliable wealth-building strategy, and quite often, it is based more on luck than on any real skill or analytical prowess.